Welcome to Frequency Matters, the RF Microwave Update Series. I'm Pat Hendel, and I'm here with my co-host Eric Heim. In this episode, we're going to cover our September Automotive and Connected Vehicles issue. The cover feature is CISPR 25 methodology enhances in-vehicle infotainment display EMC. And this article covers mitigating the challenges of radiation emissions noncompliance while evaluating in-vehicle infotainment displays per this standard. And it's a very interesting article, so check that out. Eric, what do we have for technical features?
Thanks, Pat. We've got a good article from Tech Insights about how ultra-wideband technology is being used in automotive applications to overcome the vulnerabilities of RFID-enabled key fobs. So that's a good look at market demand for keyless entry, along with the advantages and disadvantages of different technologies and the companies involved in that sector. We also have a perspectives article from QuadSat on the need for industry collaboration to foster flat panel antenna innovation. So flat panel antennas will certainly be a part of this vehicle to everything connectivity that we're all imagining. But as satellites increasingly become part of overall connectivity, the implications of flat panel antennas go well beyond vehicle applications. So the article is really a call to action about standardization and cooperation on testing and qualifying and how the industry can start to move that effort forward. So that's a good article.
And just running down the products in the issue, we had Transforming Connectivity, Designing and Manufacturing Lens Antennas from Fortify, and Software Suite Update improves planar filter design from SynMatrix, and those were our product features. We had two tech briefs. One was a 50-ohm one-to-one transformer operating to 3 gigahertz from Mini RF, and the other was high K material for microwave circuits from TechDia, and that finished out all the products. We had two special guests join us today, Aaron Vaisman, LTCC Business Unit Leader at Mini Circuits, and Randy Cochran, Product Marketing Manager for Mimic and LTCC Products at Mini Circuits, join me to discuss the high-performance LTCC technology and its applications. So let's take a look at a clip from that now. So Mini Circuits has developed some very interesting high-performance LTCC technology over the years. So I wanted to kind of dig into that area and some of its applications. So Randy, what are some of the markets where you see the requirements evolving, and what does that mean for Mini Circuits' LTCC technology roadmap?
Yeah, traditionally our portfolio of LTCC products, which is the broadest in the industry, has operated in markets and applications below 8 gigahertz. More and more, we're seeing opportunities in U and Ka bands. These frequencies used to require large and expensive filters, but in today's constellations of thousands of satellites, using large and costly filters is simply untenable. Designers are looking for solutions to meet their high-frequency performance, smaller size, and better value. Many systems also require technology that can be upstreamed for space requirements.
It was really interesting to learn about the LTCC filter market and the changes that are going on there from Mini Circuits. Turning to the news, the FCC announced it adopted new rules to move forward with the targeted investments and deployment of advanced 5G mobile wireless broadband services in rural communities. The bipartisan vote on these rules reignites the 5G Fund for Rural America, and this uses the FCC's new and approved broadband coverage map, which shows that millions of homes and businesses lack mobile 5G coverage. And for phase 1 of the 5G fund, the commission will use a multi-round reverse auction to distribute up to $9 billion and bring voice and 5G broadband services to the rural areas of the country that were unlikely to otherwise have it if it was unsubsidized. So I never thought I would say this, but GaN amplifiers might be coming into your handset in the near future. Finway Semiconductor announced a strategic technology development and licensing agreement with Global Foundries, and that merges Finway's cutting-edge GaN on silicon technology with Global Foundries' US-based high-volume manufacturing capabilities and their history of RF innovation. The collaboration will focus on optimizing and scaling Finway's innovative enhancement mode mishemmed technology to volume production in Global Foundries' 200-millimeter semiconductor manufacturing facility in Burlington, Vermont. And so these devices offer excellent gain and efficiency at sub-5-volt voltages while ensuring high uniformity across the 200-millimeter wafers. And this is highlighted in Finway's recent presentation at CS Mantech in 2024 at the conference. And I know Sony's been working on this for a while, but I haven't seen too much in the way of papers from them. but I think it could be happening soon. Eric, what did you see in the news?
Well, a little bit related to that. The GSA 4G, 5G Fixed Wireless Access Forum released their annual Fixed Wireless Access CPE market survey. And one of the findings is that 5G fixed wireless access has hit the mainstream in their view. And it's also one of the few 5G related segments showing growth, with 2024 shipments expected to increase by 23% to 37.5 million units. So not handset volumes, but a bright spot nonetheless. And then back to reality, unfortunately. The Dell'Oro Group reported that point-to-point transmission equipment revenue declined year over year for the fourth consecutive quarter. And they lay the blame for the 8% decline squarely at the feet of 5G, claiming the driver for the decline is a lack of incentives for operators to install and upgrade 5G networks. So it doesn't appear that the market research firms, anyway, are seeing the light at the end of the tunnel just yet.
And so turning to the events, we've been talking about European Microwave Week that takes place September 22nd to the 27th in Paris, France. And the event just announced something exciting. Nokia will be demoing the first dual 10 gigabit per second duplex wireless transport system using D-band for fixed point-to-point links. And this D-band spectrum was used in their Wavelengths ultra broadband radio and demonstrating the 10 gigabit per second capacity in both the uplink and downlink, and that's over a single 2 gigahertz channel. So this will be located in the 6G corner at European Microwave Week, and you should really check that out. And again, this is what I was saying before, that European Microwave Week really has a great systems present all the way down to device level. So it's a great opportunity for device and component people to network and talk to the systems people and listen to presentations on the technical side from both areas. So great opportunity. Eric, what did you see in events?
Well, as a reminder, we have a couple of great online panels coming up this month. September 13th is What's New in EM Simulations for SI, PI, EMI with Signal Integrity Journal. And September 17th is the Best 5G, 6G beam steering antenna arrays and repeaters for millimeter wave deployments with Microwave Journal. So please register for those today in our events section. We have a full panel for the September 17th event with Analog Devices, Qorvo, TMY Tech, Fujikura, and Rohde & Schwartz. Also, our Radar Satcom Automotive themed EDICon Online Educational Day is October the 23rd. So please mark your calendar for that, and registration will be open next month. And that wraps up this episode. Our sponsor is Mini Circuits. Mini Circuits is a global leader in the design, manufacture, and distribution of RF and microwave components and integrated assemblies with more than 10,000 active models. And remember, as a member of the industry, a subscription to Microwave Journal is free, so please visit our site and subscribe today if you're not already a subscriber. Thanks for watching this episode, and please join us next time for another Frequency Matters.